Okay, this is a really common attack vector where lots of newbies get scammed. If you're seeing adverts like this on Instagram, sponsored ads, misspelt names, companies that you wouldn't expect, alleged celebrity endorsements, like Gary Vee and The Rock. Also, some, only 1,000 left. These are all meant to scam you, and they'll lead to fake sites. Also, this wasn't actually minting at the time. And this one's a very similar one. You can reduce the risk of these by turning off your DMs in Discord. Watch the other video on that. But just keep your eye out for it. Limited time, things that are minting that aren't minting, prices are wrong. URL, have a check of the URL. Always worth checking that URL. That's the wrong URL. Bunnybuddy.com is the actual legitimate site. So be careful out there. Anything that looks like these, just be careful, double check it, do your own research, go and check the official Twitter and the official website.